Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best multi-position folding ladders that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Little Giant 13-foot Velocity Multi-Use Folding Ladders. The solid construction of this folding ladder makes it take loads of up to 300 pounds. It lets you use it safely as this comes with better stability. A product has a dual-pin hinge and has wide flared legs that make it deliver reliable performance. Additionally, it comes in a multifunctional design as you can easily use it for different types of jobs. It includes a frame extension, and it meets the safety standards of ANSI. Moreover, this is also very lightweight, which lets you easily carry it to your job site. At number 4, SereneLife Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Pure Clean Model. PUCRC 25. 5 Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Pure Clean Smart Vacuum Cleaner. Automatic robot cleaning vacuum features. Keep it clean. Sweep, dust and vacuum. Versatile and convenient floor cleanability. Smart, self-programmed cleaning. Path navigation. Low-profile design. Slides underneath furniture. Anti-fall stair sensors and protective bumper housing. Obstacle detection. Cleans around household objects. Works on hardwood, linoleum, tile, low, hard carpet floors. Convenient dust collection bin. Opens for quick disposal. Automatic, bag-less design for easy cleaning. One-button operation. Built-in rechargeable battery. Dual spinning side brush. Lifts debris. Includes charging, power adapter. Perfect for the home or office. What's in the box? Smart robot vacuum. Rechargeable battery. Charging, power adapter. 2 detachable brushes. Washable dust filter. Technical specs. Dust bin capacity. At number 3, WORX Pegasus Multifunction Worktable. Meet your new favorite workhorse, the Pegasus. This multifunction worktable and sawhorse with quick clamps and holding pegs can support up to 300 pounds as a table, and up to 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. The legs lock into place and are made of tough molded abs with steel supports, and the non-slip feet stay in place on both grass and pavement. Yet the Pegasus itself is only 25 pounds, so you can fold it up and carry it anywhere, or keep it in the back of the truck. The integrated clamping system exerts up to 300 pounds of force to keep your project firmly in place, and has a max clamping width of 18¼ inches. And the clamp dog pegs allow you to secure round and oddly shaped materials. At number 2, GP Logistics Compact Folding Step Ladder. Available in an easy-to-use design, this folding ladder will let you have easy storage. This comes in lightweight construction and can be ideal for commercial applications. Moreover, it is also safe to use as the product has replaceable anti-skid feet. Additionally, this is composed of high-quality aluminium and has steel parts so that you can use it for a long time. It can take loads of up to 225 pounds, and you can easily use it for a wide range of applications and have a better advantage. Furthermore, you don't have to worry about reaching in tough spots as this will allow you to mount it conveniently on your service vans and lumber racks. At number 1, SereneLife 36" Portable Fitness Trampoline. The trampoline was easy to set up and my daughter loves it. But, only after a couple weeks, the cover started to rip in many places. I contacted the customer service through the website and they sent out a replacement quickly. Love this bouncer, my son is 4 and is full of energy, he uses it before he goes to sleep. Item arrived as described on time. It is easy to assemble and quite sturdy with 150-pound weight limit unlike the smaller kiddie ones with 50-pound limit. Blue tarp is ripped after a week and the padding on the handlebar is peeling. However, they immediately got to work to fix the problem. Definitely a company you want to work with, they really care about their customers. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.